Welcome to online classes. Already I given up to question number 6. Answer already given. If you need, I think I can answer you once again for question number 6 of the robot race unit 1. 6. Find a word in the story which means the same as the following. 6a. The part of computer within bracket or robot which carries all the information. Memory chip, MEMORY, memory chip, CHIP, chip. Then 6b. Meanest, most unkind, nastiest. Answer is nastiest. Right side blank is there, you can write there NATIEST. Go through page number 12, here already mentioned. 6c. The part of a computer within bracket or robot that stores the power. Answer battery, BATTERY, battery. 6d. Drink noisily, slurp, SLURP, slurp. 6f. The person who decide who wins a contest, that is judge, JUDGE. 6f. The person who decide who wins a contest, JUDGE. So 6 already given, 5 already given before, so no need to give you again question number 5. Now question number 7. Which of the following words or phrases are not to do with robots? Which of the following words or phrases are not to do with robots? That is not connected with the robots. Simple things is there. Some words or phrases already mentioned here. Some are related to the robots, some are not related to the robots. A. Memory chip, that is related with robot, nothing. B. Monsoon, monsoon is not related with the robot, so monsoon you have to write tick mark. Understand what I am telling? Here is A. Memory chip, B. Monsoon, C. Oiled, D. Groaned, E. Whoosh, A. Batteries, G. Splashed, H. Nuts and bolts. It is already mentioned here. Some are connected with the robots, some are not connected. So which is not connected with the robots? So you have to write the answer. A. Do not write anything. B. Monsoon. C. Nothing to be written. D. Groaned, it is tick mark. E. Whoosh, that is not connected with the robot, tick mark. A. Batteries, it is connected with the robot. Without battery, robot cannot move. Splashed, it is, you have to write tick mark. H. Nuts and bolts, nothing to be written. So 7A, 7C, 7H, you do not write in the box anything. So the answer you have to tick mark, you have to do in 7B, 7D, 7E, 7G. Now you have to read the sentences A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. It is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. The 12 sentence is there. 12 sentences are here. Now you have to make it which is fast. Right side box is there. As per the story, you have to make in order. Which is the first, you have to write 1, which is next 2, then 3, like that you have to write. Rearrange these 12 sentences in the correct order to tell the story. Whatever the story is there, the story here is given 12 sentences. From here you have to find out the first sentence, second sentence, third sentence, like that. 8A, he saw a sign advertising on the robot race. No. 8B, but he did not bother with Rusty because he knew that Rusty could never beat him. No. C, just before end of the race, Jolton unscrewed Rusty's wheel so that Rusty crashed. No. 7D, he was not looked after very well. No. E, he did things to all the other robots so that they could not race. No. F, Jolton cheated by making Rusty slide on oil. No. G, everyone knew that Jolton, the biggest, fastest, nastiest robot, would win the race. No. H, he knew that if he entered the race, he would lose and everyone would laugh at him. No. I is Rusty was a street cleaning robot. It is the right answer, number 1. It is the number 1. Rusty was a street cleaning robot. Is starting the story. It is right side. You can write in the box 1. Then based on that you can check out once again everywhere. Then you can find the second. I will tell you the second. D, he was not looked after very well. 2. Now I will give you 2 options. From there you can find out 3 and 4. 3. 8A, he saw a sign advertising a robot race. Now H, he knew that if he entered the race he would lose and everyone would laugh at him. It is 4. So right answer is 3. 1, 2 already given. 1 is I, 2 is D, 3 is 8A, 4 is 8H, and G, everyone knew that Jolton, the biggest, fastest, nastiest robot, would win the race. It is number 5. Number 6, K, but Jolton was afraid that he might lose, so he cheated. 6. E, he did things to all the other robots so that they could not race. 7. 8, but he did not bother with Rusty because he knew that Rusty could never beat him. 8. Then 9, the race was between Rusty and Jolton. It is 9, that is L. And 10, F, 8F, Jolton cheated by making Rusty slide on oil. 10. And 11, just before the end of the race, Jolton unscrewed Rusty's wheel so that Rusty crashed. 11. Now 12, but Rusty's wheel crossed the line before Jolton, so Rusty won the race. 12. So it is over. So as per discussion over, 8A serial number 3, 8B serial number 8, 8C serial number 11, 8D 2, 8E 7, 8F 10, 8G 5, 8H 4, 8I 1, 8J 12, 8K 6, 8L 9. So box you can check from A to L. I will tell one by one. 3, 8, 11, 2, 7, 10, 5, 4, 1, 12, 6, 9. That is the end of this question answer of this chapter.